Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're back at it with another video today. They just made a little drop in Madden today with I think it's Ghost in Madden. I think it's called something else though. I think it's called Players of Vortex. Let's see what the LTDs are. If I can find them. Oh, there they are. We got Travis Hunter corner, which this card is really good. 94 speed, 93 excel, 96 man, 94 zone. Like, that card's broken. Puka Nakua, 92 speed, 95 spec. That's a really good card. Then one of my favorite players of all time, running lot at free safety. Go to they added Chad Johnson. Calvin Johnson. Strong safety. This card is actually really good. 93 speed, 94 man. That's a really good card. I don't know who Colton. Yeah, that's a very difficult name. But they added a right tackle for the 49ers. They added Jeffrey Simmons, Jihad Campbell, Donovan Jackson, Jared Allen, Andrew Luck. This card, I bet you, is really good. Let's see what this abilities that he gets are. He gets 0 AP. Oh, he gets. I think it's 0 AP gunslinger. So Silver was just a little bit better, but this is still a really good card. Oh, he gets 2. Oh my God, these get 2. Oh, that's actually really good. He gets 2 discounted abilities. So I don't think either one has to be elite or master tag or much discounted. But Andrew Luck is probably the best part of the game just because he gets discounted abilities. Then we got the 91 overall Dontari Poe. Like crazy, he's just a big boy. If you want to block his tight end, you go get him. And then there's nothing crazy about these other 90 players. Fired's kind of like a budget beast, but he's just short. And then RJ Harvey's also like a budget beast running back. If you guys want him as well. I don't think any of these guys belong to Dolphins. I'm at least 90% sure. Jeffrey Simmons, I know didn't. John Jackson. Jared Allen did. Andrew Luck did. Peyton Hillis, I don't believe he did. Oh yeah, they did add back Peyton Hillis, which is awesome. I haven't used. Oh wow, he has a lot of. I think all the masters get 2. It's really crazy. But let's go do a little pack opening. They got this little bundle here, which I thought this bundle actually looks pretty good here. Start off with 3 That animation is fire. I just did not realize how loud my gameplay was. That animation is sick. Those are just quick skill value though. I'm not gonna use any of them. This is kind of just like a feels like my point count of this. 87. That's awful. This next one is Platinum Ghost Champ Fantasy Pack. So no matter what, I'm getting an 85. Well, I mean, something like that. 81. That's a 93 overall. That's actually sick. Harold Carmichael. That card's gonna be so much points. I actually might keep him and get rid of Xavier Worthy. We'll see. And then we got the Ghostly Present. So this is 90 plus. And then a Ghost Present plus. I don't know. What is this? Snowball Kicker. That's the Miami Dolphins. Actually, that's very helpful. And then we got the Ghost Player 90 plus. 90. Oh, that animation's so cool though. That animation's so. They did a nice job with the animations here. This back here. Small stocking, crazy. Redux. All right. We got a guaranteed MUT champ, and another 90 plus. I think it's also a president. Yeah, let's open the stocking first. Let's see, can we get one of the new LTDs? No. But Ice Pass King, I don't know what that might be a Derrick Henry quarterback. I don't really know what's the name. I'm hoping for the Andrew Luck here. That's gonna be so many points. Andrew Luck. Ah, that's still a good pull. And then the last one here is a Platinum Ghost Pro LTD Opportunity Pack. So, first thing we're gonna open is a small Platinum. Can I get 285s? Oh no, I want an 85 then an LTD. Bang. There we go. That's huge. Oh, forgot that's there. Then we get the 90 plus pack. Hoping for at least 190. I don't know who the most is. Gonna get the Ed and then the last pack here is either an 85 plus or an LTD. Not even gonna look at it. There it is, baby. Let's go. I don't even know who I want. Puka Nakua. That's so fire. That's definitely worth. That was a really good bundle though. Let's see, what do we got here? We got 390s. What are the sets looking like? I might be able to get another 93. So slow. I'm 2 away. I need one more Ghost of Button, 90. Bad. But I'm most likely just gonna be using these. A lot of stuff here. We'll see though. What is this Puka going for? 1.74. Really not that much. He must be most common. Pull. And then I'm assuming this Hero Carmike is probably very expensive pull. 600k. That's already 2 mil right there just between those two cards. And then we got for Donovan Jackson. Another 400k. So that's 3 million gold. But you know what we're just gonna do? We're just gonna quick sell all these players. We're gonna go open up another new. Oh, that's really nice. But we're opening our extra larges first. Might actually go quick sell that right card. So I want at least 100. We got an extra large. Let's see what we get. I want one of the new LTDs. Okay, that's definitely the worst one we could have got. Definitely the worst one. Come on, give me an LTD. Give me one LTD. All right, that's a. I don't know what Dion card that's gonna be though. That's my question. Oh, I guess I need more stuff. 3 more extra large stockings. I'm hoping for one of the LTDs. Another star of Dion. We're just gonna sell that. I don't need 2 of those. Oh. Alright, come on, give me. I don't know what any of the LTDs are. Weekend Warrior. I don't know if I have. So far, these are not great. But a week from today, these are going to be opening, so get these up. Another extra large, though, out of the large. What is the winter card? That's a Raven. That's like a Raven off at the line. It might be like a Daniel Falele running back card. I know they had that a few years ago. I don't know if they'll do it again though. So, we'll see. get an LTD? I hope those turkey presents are like 90 plus, or at least like whatever, like the second highest. Bang! There we go, baby. That's probably worth so much. Falcon's right hand elf is, that's probably a Michael Vick LTD. That's a huge pull there. That's so much money. So that opens probably gonna be the most expensive present out of all. The trick present. Let's see if we can get one more LTD. Be surprised. Definitely. Get a lot of these overdrive packs. I haven't gotten this many before. I want that 2x all the way. I want that. I feel like what's that black? I don't even know what the black is. Or after this, back and sell some more. Oh wow, what is going on right now? Alright, we got about 3 of these left. 3 or 4. One more LTD. One more LTD. Oh, that's a little bit of snow. I might get out of the mystery pack. Large. Alright, so let's go back here. Quick sell. We got out of this large one here. Another damn turkey. Hey. Come on, give me one more LTD, please. Wait a little right. Winter Guardian. I already got that one. Like that's a new one, but I already got that one. That was a Raven. I think it's Daniel Boyd, like running back for I don't know who else it could be. Bang! That's the one I wanted. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I think that's up to. I think we're up to. We got the Jolly Comet. We got 2x all the way. We got the right-handed Falcons player. Who else? Who else do I have? I have one more. Oh, I got 2 of the Giants ones, so I'm up to 5, I think. All right, we're all done with those. Christmas is gonna be good. Is what I'm getting out of this. This is gonna be definitely good. Not a good start to the mystery stuff. Not a great start. So as of right now, I think larges are. I got 2 LTDs out of my larges. My extra larges weren't great. Like that's a good pull out of a mystery. That's profit. Each pack's gonna take so long to open. I already know. On Christmas Day, I'll probably do it the day after Christmas, just because Christmas is always be spending with my family. Recording a video that day. I know a lot of people do, but that's just not one. All right, overdrive. I don't want no overdrive. Those overdrive cards I think it's the overdrive program. Someone said it in a video I watched. I just don't know. I don't remember what it was. Oof. That's actually not that. Oh yeah, it is. I don't know why I thought that was. Awful, awful, awful. It's all right though. Restocking, shutter dice. That's like a. I'll take it. The worst ones are gonna be the small, obviously. Value. These mysteries are not doing well. I haven't gotten too large. Definitely take medium, but like, geez. Alright, we got a medium. We got an LTD out of the medium. Oh, we got a large? I get an extra large. It does the tier thing. Okay. I'm not terribly mad about that. Not terribly mad about that. The Reduxes might have such high value come next week, because I bet you they're going to do another round of Reduxes. They're going to probably do 92s, if I were to guess. Which, I don't know, what are 92s right now? What are the 92s that can get Redux? Wow, stacking. You know, we're going to switch it up. We're going to open 2 mediums and then go back to I've literally gotten a lot of that right now. One. The last one. What? Oh my god, I gotta go get that Dormitory bow. I need to go get that Dormitory bow if I can find it. I don't know how to get it. But apparently, if you get the Dormitory bow or Cam Newton, it gets +1 too. It gives a +1 to both. Well, it gives Dormitory bow gives +1 to offense, but Cam Newton's Mike linebacker gives +1 to all defense. So I don't know which I'm gonna get. I'll probably get the. Cause I already have. I thought that was a good one for a second. I got like another LTD. But yeah, I gotta go get one. If not, if I can get both of them, that'd be really nice. I don't know how you can get them though. Football kicker, that's another Dolphin. I heard someone say it was Ricky, but I'm trying to think like that might be a Jason Sanders quarterback card or wide receiver card. Is what I'm trying to think. Because there was a trick play that involved him when Brian Flores was there, where they had like a trick play and he either threw it or he caught it for a for either a touchdown or two. It was during the take for Tua. Speaking of that, who was no longer the starting quarterback for the Miami Dolphins? Quinn Ewers is now starting. Now, a lot of people are saying about that. A lot of people are saying that Dolphins are going to probably be going to. I don't know. I'd like to think that Tua could come back next year and maybe play another snap for the Dolphins. But realistically, how are they going to be able to move off of that big of a contract? It's too big of a contract for them to move off. I get the Broncos did it, but they did it with pushing flat. We have to pay that $99 million. I just don't think that's going to realistically happen. I think he's going to stay on the roster. But I think it's going to be a prove-it year, if anything. He has the choice of if you're here to lose in camp, you're going to sit for the year, we're going to cut you at the end of the year. Or you play well enough and surprise us when we start you for the first few weeks. You play well for the first few weeks, and you start playing bad. Like if it's going to be like a Russell Wilson / Justin Fields with Quinn Ewers situation. Or Drew Aller. I do like Drew Aller. I think Drew Aller is a good option. I've always liked Drew Aller. I know he had a bad year this past year, but I don't think it's and he also tore his ACL. Big hit. Again, I think he's way too talented. Mike McDaniel. But I also wouldn't mind if he had a lot of talent. Oh, then he got hurt. And then like slowed down the process. I think I start our last back here. Small. We can get out. Alright, we got a few mediums I can open here, then be over. I think I'll be close to 100 presents. What if this is the last one? They refreshed. Oh, so they refreshed these presents are gonna refresh for the last time on Tuesday. Not gonna be another. All right, that's all we're done. We're now done. 85 presents. We got 2 Douglas for ranchers, 1 Zeke, which is 2018 press. We got 1 Frosty Punch, which is probably Peanut Tillman. 1 Dashing Lion, which is I think Jameson Williams. 1 Jolly Comet, which I believe is either gonna be Tyreek Hill or Devon A-Chain. Then a 13 medium, 1 Elite Tinsel, 2 Giant Wonderland, which I don't know who that could be. I really don't know who that could be. An extra large present, a North Pole protector, very green present, which I think is gonna be. I don't know. These two are like team of the week, but I think that light green one's more of a. We got a first pick of Butt Miss, 2 snowball kickers, 2 Winter Guardians, a Star of Dion, 2X all the way, Coach Treasures 3, Turkey Presents 3, Weekend Warriors 1, 2 Ice Pass King, which I think is going to be a Derrick Henry quarterback card. Video player, and the probably the best card we have is Falcon right out, which I'm really hoping is Michael Vick and not a Michael Penix, but we'll see. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. We got some. I'm gonna probably go sell off some cards. We got Puka, Donovan Jackson, Harold, Carmichael on the packs that we opened earlier. But I don't think any of them are gonna start. Maybe I'll keep Harold Carmichael as a 6'8" wide receiver. I'll probably get rid of. If that was the case, I'll probably get rid of Neighbors. We'll see though. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Now, fellas.